What is up, love? It's your girl Naomi, aka Aone. Welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? If you are new here, make sure you are subscribed down below, and also turn on the post notifications so that way every time I post you will know. And if this is not your first time here, hey girl, hey. So in this video I'm going to be sharing my summer favorites of 2018. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first I'm going to start off with skincare. So this summer I try to focus more so on my skin. I didn't really wear makeup as much as I wanted to, but because it was so hot, I just literally barely did my makeup. The only thing I pretty much did was my brows and lip gloss and highlighter, and that was pretty much it. So for skincare, I have first my Alba sunscreen. Okay, you guys can see that. But my Alba sunscreen, I got this from TJ Maxx. This was cost like at least $7. Sunscreen has become one of my favorites as of lately because I feel like I need to protect my skin. So I picked up this one and I've been loving it. So yeah. Then I have two facial sprays. I have the OG Mario Badescu spray. This is the aloe and rose water one. And then I have this kind of like a knockoff brand, but not really. I got this from TJ Maxx as well. This is the Folio Moisture Soothing Gel Mist, the aloe vera one. And honestly, if I'm not using this one, I'm using this. I got this for like maybe $7 at TJ Maxx, and this I think is like $12. I can't remember how much this is, but this is brand new, and I've been using mainly this for the summer, for the second part of the summer. And all I do is just put it on as like my base or like as a toner, just to like you know, just for skin purposes. And I just spray it just like I do my Mario Badescu spray, and I just love both of these. So definitely cop you one or cop you some. I don't know if they sell them I don't know if they sell this at other places. All I know is that I just went to TJ Maxx and I was looking for like skincare sprays and stuff like that, and so I found this. So if you're looking for like affordable skincare products, definitely head to TJ Maxx. Next for skincare, I have this facial serum, this is the aloe and hyaluronic acid face serum, and it retains moisture and smooth skin. And for me, I feel like I have normal to dry skin. Some days dry, some days normal, but I definitely like my face to be hydrated. And I use this serum at night because I feel like it is a little heavy, and I don't use a lot because a little goes a long way. So, and this also was from TJ Maxx as well, and I think this is like $4. So yeah. And then lastly for skincare, I have the St. Ives Renewing Collagen Elastin Moisturizer. For people that do know me, I like using the Nivea cream, and because of the Nivea cream, like I feel like it's a lot heavier and it's for drier skin. Thank you, Aaliyah J, for putting me onto it. But I don't know, for some reason I was just like, let me try something new, and I picked up this at Walmart for like $6 or $7, maybe $5 I think. And this is pretty lightweight on the face for me. I don't feel like it's not as moisturizing as my Nivea cream, but it has moisture to it. Just for me, I'm just so used to like the heavy creams on my face that it took me a little while to getting used to this, but I will say I do love this. So yeah, let's go ahead and move on to beauty. So for beauty, I've only, like I said previously, I've only been doing like my eyebrows and highlight, and so the main products I've been using is my holy grail. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Kit, and this is medium to dark. You can get it from light to medium as well. And I've been using this highlighter out of here, and I'm telling you guys, if you're a woman of color, let me just swatch this for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about, because there's no way, like, you guys see that? Like, that is so beautiful. And this is probably one of my favorite highlighters of all time. Like, look at that. That is so beautiful. Look, like, that is so beautiful. But I've been wearing this this highlighter all summer, and if I'm not wearing this, I'm usually wearing my e.l.f. one. I'm usually wearing my e.l.f. liquid highlighter, but most of the times I'm always rocking this. And then for like my brows and my lip glosses, so I have two things. Well, two lip glosses that I rock. I have the e.l.f. Lip Lacquer, and then I have the Ellarie times ColourPop in the lip gloss Steelo. And you guys, these guys together, like, they're so cute. I know you could buy like a lip gloss with shimmer in it and it'd be like okay, but for this one I feel like, for me, I don't know, I don't really like the way my lips look, so sometimes when I put this on I put too much, it just looks a little hot mess. So I usually just put this on as my base, and then I pop a little bit of this on my bottom lip, and then I just rub them together, and it's so cute. And then I have the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4. I was fortunate enough to receive this from Influencer. Thank you guys for giving me this. And this has been my brow pencil also. And this is in the shade, this is 4, but this is kind of like a dark brown black type pencil. So yeah. Alright, so moving on to hair products that I love this summer. I want to first start off with the Creme of Nature leave-in conditioner with mango and shea butter. And guys, it smells so good. Like, this thing smells so good. I'm actually running out a little of it, so I'm probably gonna pick myself up maybe 2 more bottles of this. But I love this mainly because I have low porosity hair, and for my hair it takes a lot for it to retain moisture, and it's just, heavy creams are not doing it for me anymore. So I've been using lightweight creams, and this has become one of my favorites. And then next I have another Creme of Nature product, which is the Creme of Nature with argan oil from Morocco, perfect edges in black. This is honestly my first summer trying this, and I'm gonna be honest, at first I was a little hesitant because it did say black, and I wasn't sure how it was gonna pan out on my hair. But when it says black and you like use it to lay down your edges, it does lay down your edges. I will give it that. And it's not gonna leave a black cast if you're afraid of it. And this is like maybe $4 or $5 from Walmart, and I just love it because it laid down my edges, and I kind of like the way it smells. So I'm a little freak about how hair products smell. I don't know. I love the way they smell. And then lastly, I have the Cantu Shea Butter. This is the tea tree and jojoba oil hair scalp oil. This is the no drip formula, so it's pretty solid, but once it gets really hot, it can get a little slippery. But I like this because, for once again, I do have low porosity hair, and I heard that jojoba oil is great, a great, what is it called? A great seal for your hair. So I definitely picked this up, and I do like it. The only thing I don't like is because it is the no dry formula, I literally have to like squeeze this thing out. Like, it's just so hard. I have to hit it against something to just so it can squeeze out. But overall, I just love it. It smells good. I love the way it feels in my hair too. So yeah. Alright, so this is the end of my summer favorites video. Hope that you guys like all these products and all the stuff that I mentioned in this video. If you have your own summer favorites, let me know in the description box, in the comment section down below. If you have some similarities as well as my summer favorites, let me know. And if you have some products that you want me to try out, you know, definitely comment down below as well. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and also turn on the post notifications so every time I post, you will know. You guys already know the outro. Peace, love, and stay beautiful. And I'll see you guys on my next one.